Hey guys, showing you this under desk elliptical machine. So it's a mini compact with a non-slip elliptical paddle and display monitor and a remote control. So this is the charging cable, remote control. There's a nice protective packing. So I'm just taking it out. So this is the nice thing is that you can keep on exercising at home or office wherever you want, and you can also do the other work. So this is the machine. So you cannot stand on it. So this is a warning sign, but I just keep on it and then I just power it on. So once power it on, you can just select what mode. So there are different modes, or you can set it for auto or the manual mode, and you can also do it with the remote that I will show you. So you can see, you can just put in the legs very carefully, and then it's really fun. And these have like the acupressure thing, so holding things on the top here that you can see. So it's a portable and have a built-in handle as well that you can use, and a digital LCD monitor where you can see your progress. So you can select the speed, and the calories burned, scan time, distance. So you can do so. This is I am putting under the desk, and then just try while doing my work. So it's nice, like with the speed, and really nice while doing my work. I can also do the exercise, just pretty nice. And yep, overall it's a nice exercising machine, where you can put it anywhere. And the manual is also very helpful, that describes everything. So what are those parts, and how to use this one. So overall impression is good for this, and for the machine, or for the exercising thing for the legs and the feet, and then you can do it wherever you want. So remote control holder is also there. You can operate it through the remote control. Requires two AAA batteries, and then you can use it.